Hey, if you're enjoying our content, please take a moment now and subscribe.
So why do people buy from Ride the Wind EBikes?
People buy from me. I'm the owner. I'm Jolene. I'm in all the videos. People buy from me because it's a different experience. I think just number one, dealing with an owner. And I've been in business since 17, so I've got a lot of knowledge. I've got Darren, I've got Mike, and then I have my other staff. And when you come in here, you're getting a more personal experience. I want to know where you're going to ride. Where is the bike being kept? You know, we look at your size and I make suggestions of, you know, what would work out better. And then with the bicycles, we do test drives, and that's a huge thing. I never quite understood if you could come to a store and try out a whole bunch of bikes, why you wouldn't buy something online. And plus, the last thing is our after service and all the videos we do. So because we have customers all over Canada and North America, if they have an issue or trying to figure something out, we just do a video for them. Because it's easier to, you know, look at something, how to do it. So I guess people buy because of my spirit. I think it should be fun, and we try to make every interaction as pleasant. It's not about the bottom dollar for me. It's about growing business and having you have such a good experience that you tell other people. And that's how we're growing, and we're doing really well, and we're really happy.